Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Today we're going to be doing our man can unboxing video for Scattergun month, which is basically related to shotguns and the like. This is the one that will be going out. I think they're going to start going out around Monday. We were a little bit late on one of the items, so these will start going out, but we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing video now. In case you guys don't know, man cans is basically a little product that we sell. It's a mystery box, and the funds that we earn from the box allow us to continue to do cool things on YouTube, and it basically allows the fans a chance to support the channel, okay? It's basically a product we sell in conjunction with supporting the channel. So basically, this upcoming man can theme is patriotism, and we are doing a shirt for this particular can. That's the one that's for sale right now. Guys, get them before they're gone, because they're not going to last too much longer. We're going to have to cut off sales and get our numbers turned in so we can try to get them out in a timely manner. But Sam over at Forge from Freedom is going to be doing our shirt, so you know it's going to be awesome, and it's going to definitely be an awesome can. Every year we do patriotism around this time of the year, so make sure you get your can, and guys, the funds directly support the channel. I'm going to try to keep this quick, because I know everybody's got lives to get to and things that they're doing, and you know, I don't want to take up very much of y'all's time if I can help it. So basically, man cans is 3 different tiers: a $30 tier, a $60 tier, and a $100 tier. When you buy the higher tiers, you get all of the lower tier items that are in the previous cans. So we're going to go through it here. Now guys, the Scattergun can, I'm super excited about, because this one turned out awesome. We really kept it down to like stuff you can use, and we've been getting a lot of feedback from people, and one of the things that we're working very hard and diligently on with man cans is to try to make sure we're keeping these items very useful for you guys. We read you loud and clear. We're not doing the fight soaps anymore. We're not doing, you know, any more of like the kind of little trinket type items. We're trying to keep it all useful things that you can pull out of the box and go and use. And I'm telling you, this particular box had a lot of value in it, and I cannot wait to get it in your hands. I'm so happy with this box. You have no idea. And I'm telling you one thing right now, Brandy, she pulled a rabbit out of the hat with this box. I'm proud of her. She did a great job with this, and she killed it. All right, so regular can. We've had a lot of folks that like the snack sticks, so you get a snack stick in the regular can. Now, the one item that we're missing here in the $30 box, actually it goes in all of, but we don't have the patch yet. But I promise the patch is awesome. You're going to love it. I just don't have it here to show you right at the moment, but you're going to get a patch with the $30 can, the snack stick. You're going to get a jar of Hops No. 9 bore cleaner. You're going to get a Otis 12-gauge shotgun ripcord. These things were so dang popular. We had so many people contacting us back and wanting to know about these ripcords, and we were able to secure ones that you can use with your shotgun. So to keep your shotgun clean, you got a ripcord. Everybody gets one of those, which is awesome. And we did a sack-up gun sock. Okay, so that's to keep your boomstick clean and dust-free if it's in the safe or if it rides around the car or whatever, going to the range. That's the $30 can. Again, we are missing the patch. I might have an image of that you'll see here in a second, but the patch is cool. You'll like it. All right, man up, all the below there. We did a target pack here. Visicolor target pack. That's a man up item. And then we did a trap shooting shell pouch. So basically you wear this around your waist or whatever, and it's just a dump pouch for shells. So if you're going to go out in like a field situation to go, you know, hunting or whatever you're going to do, or if you're just going to the range, dump your ammo in there, have a little bit of fun on the skeet range, trap shooting, whatever you're going to do. That's awesome. So the man up guys get the target and the mag pouch, or the shell pouch, which is awesome. The megas get all the above. Now, Brandy, I guess she decided that the megas get another snack stick. I don't know what the deal is with that, but if you bought a mega, you got an extra snack stick. All right, and you got all the above. You got a Black Hawk, basically CQD sling. Okay, so this particular sling is set up sort of like the H&K styles with the H&K clips, so it can be ran as a single point or a 2-point sling, which is really cool. So you get a Black Hawk sling, okay, and you get a sling adapter, so that if you don't have a way to run a sling on your shotgun, you can actually put this on your shotgun and adapt this sling to work on your shotgun. So you get the sling adapter, and as if all that stuff isn't enough, we got a Duracell shooters pack. So all the mega guys get the Duracell shooters pack, and these things can take numerous hits from all different kinds of things. And you can shoot them with shotgun slugs, you can shoot them with buckshot, birdshot, 22s, anything you want, and they take a ton of punishment, and they're total fun to play with. And as a nice kind of side note, your dogs will never chew these things apart. My dogs have been playing with one of these for about 3 years, and they haven't even been able to chew it apart. So for those of you that got the mega, you got a pretty all-encompassing setup here with all of this stuff. That's the man can. We really appreciate all of the support that we get from you guys. I was super stoked about this cam. When I saw all this stuff in the box and looking at everything that you know went out in this box, I was really excited to get this in your hands because this is all useful stuff. It's all stuff you're probably going to buy anyway, okay? It's all stuff that you're going to use, okay? And I feel like there's a pretty dang good bit of value in here for what we charge for the can. So guys, we're always constantly striving to try to deliver some good value to you guys, to give you things that you can use. And guess what? When you buy a man can, you are supporting our ability to continue making YouTube videos. And the thing is, you know, we do accept donations on Patreon as well. I know some people may not want to buy a man can, but they might want to donate $1 or $2 on Patreon or something like that, or they might want to purchase a t-shirt. So we have other ways that the fans can help support the channel than just man cans. You don't have to buy a man can if you don't want to. We would, you know, like for you to, but if you are considering supporting the channel, consider all the avenues if you have the ability to, because guys, it ain't getting no easier for us. And with a lot of the recent things coming down the pipeline with YouTube and generally just social media as a whole, guys, we've had to really carve out our existence, and we've really had to fight for our existence. So if you consume this content on a regular basis and you love the channel, guys, for the love of God, please consider helping us out. We graciously appreciate it. You know, we make these videos to benefit you guys. You guys are the reason that we make this content. A very small fraction of our total viewership actually supports our channel financially in a way that allows all the other people to consume the content free of charge. So if you're in that small minority, I appreciate all of you who support our channel through programs like Man Cans, through the t-shirt sales, as well as Patreon. You guys are wonderful. We appreciate you consuming the content. I mean, if you watch the content, that's awesome too. We appreciate all of our viewers and all the support that we get. Guys, remember, Patriotism is the can that's for sale right now. All right, so do not miss that particular can. It'll go out next month. It's a pre-sale. So I know a lot of people ask us that. This is the box that's going out now. The boomstick, or let's just say Scattergun can, is going. This is the one that's being shipped right now that you've already ordered. But if you pre-order now, you're getting the Patriotism can, which will go out next month. Okay, so just so that's clear. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you for supporting our channel. We've got a lot of dang content to make. We've got a lot of things to do, and you guys are the reason for it. The people that support our channel and watch our channel and have always been there for us, you are the people that we work for, and we take a lot of pride in delivering the content that you guys want. So thank you for being a part of that. Thanks for watching my video today, and much more on the way. We'll see you next time.